Hey, if you've been trying to export a video in CapCut using HEVC and got an export failed error, yeah, it's super frustrating. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it so you can export smoothly. First, make sure your CapCut app is fully updated. Older versions often have bugs that can prevent HEVC export. After updating, restart CapCut and try exporting again. Sometimes that alone fixes the error. HEVC encoding requires modern hardware. Make sure your device supports HEVC. Older PCS laptops or phones might not handle it properly. If your device is older, you might need to use H.264 instead for export. Sometimes hardware acceleration can cause HEVC export to fail. Go to CapCut Settings, Arrow Preferences, Arrow Hardware Acceleration, and turn it off. Then try exporting again. This forces CapCut to use software encoding instead. Outdated GPU drivers are a common cause. Go to your GPU manufacturer's site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver. Restart your device after updating, then try exporting the HEVC video again. If it still fails, try reducing your export settings, lower the resolution from 4K to 1080p, or decrease the bit rate. This reduces the strain on the encoder. So yeah, updating CapCut, checking hardware compatibility, disabling hardware acceleration, updating GPU drivers, or lowering export settings usually fixes HEVC export errors. Try these steps and your videos should export without issues.